as you can see, I'm here with a big pile of Boohoo parcels. You can't even see them all. Like 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. That is literally crazy, the amount of clothes I have to get through in this video. As always, Boohoo have sent me these items. They sent me some for my TikTok because, as I mentioned in my last Boohoo haul, but if you are new, I am a TikTok ambassador for Boohoo, so I'll create regular videos for them and stuff like that. But we've decided to collaborate on another YouTube video because you loved my other one so much, so that's why there's so much. I do actually have a discount code for Boohoo. It is chyna.xx. However, a lot of you did mention in my last video that the code isn't working. It was temporarily frozen for like the Christmas period. I know, annoying, and we're not sure when they're going to be turned on again. So if you're just watching this in the future, then it should be working by now. But anyways, I'll get straight into the video. If you want to see what I got from Boohoo this month, keep on watching. I've just eaten my lunch, so I feel like the best idea is me to start in loose clothing because the food baby I have right now is a joke. So here is the first item, a baby pink velour tracksuit. It comes with the sweatshirt and the bottoms. I am wearing stripy socks. I feel like in my videos I always wear either black socks or fluffy socks. As you guys know, I am 5 foot, so things are a bit baggy, but I feel like it's cute. This is more of like a pajama-y tracksuit. You could make it into an outfit with a white coat and white trainers, but I feel like it does look quite pajama-y because of the velour material. It does have a pink diamond thing here. I don't know what that says. You would need to wear something under this. It's not going to keep you like super snug and warm type of thing, but it is really cute. Oh, it does have the diamonds there as well, and drawstrings and pockets. I have waited the absolute longest time to wear the tracksuit. Just look at it. This is me. This is me in a tracksuit. I have so much to say about this. It's literally unreal. I actually chose this from Boohoo when it first come out and no one had it. Now I feel like everyone's got it. With good reason. It's amazing. I do want to say the fit is immaculate, literally immaculate. It's an extra small and it fits exactly like an extra small. The joggers fit so lovely and they're not super long. Look at that. So amazing. With orange Jordans or some white Air Forces, if you don't have them, would look amazing. I love the graffiti print. Always say Boohoo is the place to be for tracksuits. Quality is always amazing. They always have the coolest things and always stick to the trends. And this is just so cool. Oh, what's got on the back? I don't know. I'm so excited about this. I just can't get over how well this fits. I'm just sliding about in my fluffy socks like. I'm not sure how I feel on this tracksuit. It's a grey acid wash tracksuit. It is petite, so it does fit quite small, but because the bottoms are quite slim fit compared to what I'd normally go for, they're giving off a jegging vibes. I know they have some looseness, but I'm not feeling this at all. I don't know, I just can't explain it. I'm just not a fan on it. But if you're looking for a plain tracksuit with an oversized jumper, but the bottom's more fitted, it's completely personal preference. I'm very specific with my tracksuits and the fit and everything like that. The quality is lovely though. It's really soft, fleece lined. All their tracksuits are fleece lined in the middle. I've seen absolutely everyone in this tracksuit. Of course, I had to get it. I do feel a bit like the Michelin Man. I can't. These are just way too oversized, like way too oversized. Comfort is key. They're super comfortable, don't get me wrong, like the inside, as I said, always fleece lined. Like imagine just chilling in this because it's so big. But for going out, it's just a no from me. I love the print on it. They always go for this official kind of niche. So got anything there? It's got a little something there. Nothing on the back. Official on the hood. And then official down the leg. But just bear that in mind if you're my size references. Obsessed with this hoodie. Literally obsessed with this hoodie. It does come with joggers that are meant to go with it, but they're out of stock. Like they're completely off the site right now, which is so sad. But I'm obsessed with the top. It is very oversized. I don't know, this looks like something I've seen before. I've seen this somewhere. It's a lovely quality. I like the print as well. And then here we go. I've got some flares. Now in my last Boohoo haul I did show a pair of flares. However, some people said, oh, they might be a little bit see-through. They are with bright lights because I do film with bright lights on. But these are a ribbed pair. From what I can see, I said this last time, I can't see anything. These are in fact ribbed, so they're a thicker quality. The last pair was just, you know, general jersey legging material. But the thing I liked about these, I wish they'd done this on more of their petite range, but it actually said the leg size. It said 28 inch. I wasn't sure what length my legs are, but I guess they're 28 because this is a perfect, like, with shoes on and everything, this is just a perfect fit. They did have a 26 on there that they added after I received these. If you find these are too long, which I doubt it because I have the shortest legs, then you can go for the 26. But I don't think I need the 26. These are completely fine. They're really nice, thick quality as well. Am I going to live in this? Yes. Yes, I am. Do I look like a human teddy bear? I do. This actually comes again with matching joggers, but I was like, bit too much. I will look like a human teddy bear. This is the softest jumper I've ever felt in my life. How is it gonna wash? We don't know. That's the thing with bulk. You've got to be really careful how you wash it. A little black detailing here, which is really cute, but this is so thick. I can't get over it. It's very oversized as well. I can imagine like sleeping in this. This would be really nice. For some reason, I've always wanted a fleece jumper. It'll keep you warm. And then it's got this thick, if I come close, thick jelly-like thing. I don't know, it just makes the quality lovely. Of course you can wear it like fully. Either way is cute. I was thinking with like a beanie or a cap or something. I actually do have a pair of shoes I almost forgot to show you. People might be like, really? Are you being serious? The reason for this is, I see so many people wear Converse. I just don't know whether I'd suit them. So I thought if I grab a like non-branded, just plain Converse, if I like them, I'll go buy the real thing. But for now, these would do me. Obviously, I haven't unattached a shoe. I don't know. I'll have to sit and look at myself when I got them on properly. Do they suit me? Let me know what you think. I just thought with flares and stuff, they look quite cute. They do have these in white. For now, these would do me until I figure out whether I'm going to suit Converse, and if I do, then I'll buy myself some. I've been looking for a bodysuit this colour for so long. I've got a varsity jacket with a bit of green that looks quite similar to this on, and I thought with some flares, this would look really good. I like myself in green, to be fair, so I thought I'd grab this. Just your typical slinky material, not see-through or anything. Then I got these petite, I mean they're fairly petite, corduroy cargo trousers, because I've seen them manière devoir trousers and they're like £60, so I thought I'd try find a dupe. Quality of the cord is really nice. I used to hate cord, it just made me feel so uncomfortable, like the material. It is cuffed bottoms as well. It's got normal pockets and your utility pockets to obviously be a cargo. I love a checkered jacket, especially with cargos. They just look really cool. And now I have to undo the buttons. Why was I not prepared? Yeah, love that. Absolutely love that. I think this is petite as well, which is good because sometimes I find checkered shirts a bit too long. The green goes with this bodysuit, so that's one way I'd style it. White crop tops, plain ones, any type of cargos, and these look really good together. It may not look like I've changed trousers, but I have. I've just taken my socks off as well, so I'm like, don't want to show my feet. Right, I think my toes are not in it. But I got these ruched leggings. Sorry, my hair is really annoying. Thought they'd be nice for like nights out and stuff. No, they don't fit. They don't fit. I'm not going to convince myself. They just don't fit. 2 favours for the bum, so that's a bonus. They are nice quality and not see-through. If you don't own a knit dress for winter, what are you doing? You need to. This isn't the nicest quality, I'll be honest. It is quite thin, but it was super cheap. They do have ones on there that are thicker. I've had knit from there before, I've never had a problem, but this was literally like £5, so what do you expect? But if you did want to get this one, because obviously it's cheap, all you have to do is put a vest top under this or a long sleeve top for extra warmth, pair of cycling shorts that are short enough that it's still a dress, and some tights and boots and a coat. Talking of coats, let me show you this coat. Sorry, what? Is this not the nicest coat ever? I love a coat. I'm honestly a sucker for a coat. When it's fluffy as well, can you see like hand just flies off. This is going to keep you so warm. Like imagine wearing this for work with some tights and boots. Oh, it's so cute. Or a snow coat. This is actually petite because I grabbed it from the petite section because so it's not too long. I like this. This is enough length for my boots to be all cute that I haven't got on right now, but I will have on. Okay, got a couple of like worky bits now. Obviously I do work social media. It's not my full-time job, it's my second job. So I do actually work. At my work you're only allowed to wear black. So this is one way you could wear black to work. I don't know if you can see, because on my camera I can't really see, but it is a knitted jumper. Maybe if I come closer. Here we go. And then it does have a belt, which I think is nice because then it gives you a bit more figure. I just thought this was really nice. If you did want to keep extra warm, which I probably will, I'll wear like a long sleeve bodysuit under this. But I'm definitely going to wear this to work. A smock top, I don't think I'll be wearing this because I feel like it's just, I don't know, I just feel like it doesn't suit me. I don't know. They are really cute though. I always see people wear these tops because they're really flowy and cute with the puff sleeves and the puff out top. But I just don't think it suits me. But I also grabbed it in white. If you're allowed to wear white to work, then there's the white version. Wear these in the summer because I think these look really cute with a pair of flares. Kind of feel like cardigans are out of fashion now. But not for me. The rule doesn't apply for me because I will wear them if I want to and I love them. I have got this unitard under. It is a little bit see-through. I mean, I am wearing bright neon underwear. I just wish it was a bit smaller as well so it would like cinch me so you can see my figure, but that's fine. Good length for someone who's 5 foot. I love the big balloon sleeves. It's so flattering. I love the colour. The colour is what drew me. I think with a cute legging set under this, or of course a unitard, cycling shorts, anything will look so cute. I love this. It's such good thick quality, like you can see. Pink and grey look amazing together as well. I really like this. I'm so obsessed with it, honestly. I did also grab a cardigan in this colour. This is different, so this is a shorter version, but again with the oversized sleeves and oversized look. This one doesn't have pockets, which is quite sad, but I feel like the pink one does come in different colours, so maybe you could grab that in a different colour. This is like a grey oatmeal-y colour. Super, super lovely. I love neutrals and these colours complement each other. And yes, I'm hiding this because, as I said, I've had my lunch. I just ate 3 pastries. It's still Christmas, okay? Okay, this is the last cardigan, I promise. Did this have a belt? Yeah, here's the belt. I've got a shorter version. It's like I just went long, medium, short. Again, same comments, really thick. This doesn't have pockets, which is a shame, but it's fine. So you can kind of just tie it. However, it's not like a all the way round belt, it's just attached to these parts. Maybe it's meant to be a side thing. Oh wait, I think it is. Yeah, I think it's meant to be like a side tie. I can't remember however it's styled on the model. But in case you didn't want to go for the bright pink, they do have cream coloured. They have so many. Cardigans are great for work. I used to wear a cardigan to work all the time, so if you like cardigans and stuff, you'd like that as well. I love dressing gowns. I have so many. People who have just one confuse me because I literally have so many. It's bad. I thought this was so cute. It's really soft and of course it's chocolate brown. Let me grab the hood for you. It's got berries on it. Why is this so cute? I will be honest though, this is not the thickest dressing gown I ever felt. It is warm and it's keeping me warm, but if you can see, it's quite thin. If you get too hot but you do like comfort and stuff, this will be great. It does have pockets and of course a little belt going on, and it's just cute. Like, it's cute. I couldn't be bothered to do up the thing, and if I tuck it in like this, then I have that, and that just is not the look I'm going for, so I'd rather it just hang out. So let's just tuck it up there and act like it doesn't exist. This is of course from Boohoo, just a white ribbed bodysuit. Needed a bodysuit with long sleeves, so I grabbed that. And then I got these Petite Mocha leggings. Thought they'd just be nice for autumn winter, bit of a neutral moment. They look cute together. Now let me show you the star of the show. If you watched my last Boohoo haul, you would remember this coat. I actually grabbed this coat in black. I saw they had a white, had to get the white because I thought for snow days, like, isn't this a cute snow day outfit? I love it. I wear my black one to work literally every single day. It's so comfortable, so warm. The hood is so lovely and soft as well. I mean, I am going to get makeup all up this, but I love the belt. The belt is my favourite part because this is it without the belt, and then obviously once you've cinched it, it just looks a little bit better. It's not much of a difference, but it is slightly. I do still have the tag on because I literally just got it out the bag. But look at that. In the snow, I'm in love with this coat and it's such a good price. This is a petite coat, although it's not very petite, you know, it covers the bum and stuff, but it's not like super small fitting. This is a size 4, by the way, and the petite is actually cheaper than it in the normal section. It's not that petite, so if you buy stuff from the normal section, I would just grab it from here. Whatever you do, size up in this jumper. I literally had to pull it over my head because my head is so fat and it was quite hard, and I would want more of an oversized fit. Just an exposed seam hoodie with some writing on it here, pretty basic. I just got it to go with this item here. Look at that Borg gilet. I mean, so many types of nude and brown is going on right now. It's really not going. I wouldn't pair this outfit all together, by the way, but I just wanted to keep the outfits like all Boohoo. Isn't that so adorable? I love it so much. Again, this is from the petite range. I think this is a size 4, so I wouldn't say size up at all. It's like it's kind of cropped but not. This is so thick, like wow. And I love the Borg. Borg is just amazing for winter and stuff. We're on to our last 2 items. I've been getting changed left, right and centre and I still got to do a TikTok on it. Lord help me. I never really go for red clothing, but I was really drawn to this red vest. Absolutely obsessed. Knitted material with the thick neck thing. What's this? Roll neck. It's been a long video as always. I always start to get delusional at the end of the videos because I film all day. Just, you know, normal shirt under it. I don't know if I would do that if I was wearing it. I don't know. I'm not sure how I'm going to style it. I feel like maybe that white bodysuit under it would just look good because I feel like this just looks a bit, I don't know. And then I've got these black wide leg trousers on. These are petite, but they are very long, so I might get these taken up. In my last video, I grabbed them in brown. I actually grabbed the size 6 in that, and they were fine, but I thought I'd try the 4. So I grabbed the 4 in the brown and the 4 in the black. I mean, you saw these on last video, so I won't show you them again. When I go out, if I go out for drinks, wear heels and a nice top, just to make it more dressy like, or if I'm wearing a blazer or something. I just thought that would be great together. So guys, that is the end of my Boohoo haul. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to use my discount code if it is available now. I'll leave links to as much as I can, but with Boohoo, once things are sold out, they take them off the site completely. But if you want more Boohoo hauls or any other type hauls, then comment below. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. And other than that, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.